Selecting specific records from multiple tables. Okay, so let's select specific column. So let's select column course from TBL course. So select course from TBL course. Okay, so we have 4 records. Now, let's select specific column from TBL students. So, let's select the last name, first name, and middle name only. Okay, so select last name. And then, let's use comma to separate each column. And then, first name, and then middle name from TBL students. Okay, so there. Now, let's combine last name, first name, and middle name in a single column and use full name as alias. So we have to use the function called concat to combine all the columns and use alias to change the field name using the as keyword. Okay, so select, then concat last name. Then, let's put a space here. And then, first name. And then, middle name. So, this means last name, comma, space, first name, space, and the middle name. Then, as, so what alias, so full name. From TBL students. Now, let's combine specific records from TBL College, TBL Course, TBL Major, and TBL students. So we will select or display column student number, last name, first name, middle name, college, course, and then major. So we need to specify where it came from. Okay, so select student number, last name, first name, middle name, and then college, course, and then major from TBL students, TBL College, and then TBL Course, and then TBL Major, TBL Major, where, so TBL students dot college ID is equal to TBL college dot college ID. This means that the college ID from TBL students is the foreign key, and then the college ID from TBL college is the primary key. Then, N. TBL students dot TBL course ID is equal to TBL course dot course ID. This means that the course ID from TBL students is the foreign key, okay? And then the course ID from TBL course is the primary key. And TBL students dot major ID equal to TBL major dot major ID. So this means that the major ID from TBL students is the foreign key, and then the major ID from TBL major is the primary key. Okay, so let's select it. Okay, so we have successfully displayed the specific records that we've retrieved. Okay, so that's it. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.